Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get Roblox shaders. This will only work on Windows and Nvidia graphics card, so just make sure that you are having Nvidia graphics card. Now, first of all, you want to go to your browser and write down Blockshade and then go to this first link, blockshade.com. This is Roblox shader and it's free. Now you're going to click download, and after that you will have the zip file on your desktop which you want to go ahead and extract. So click extract all and just extract it, for example, on your desktop. Now once it was extracted, you will see this folder where it is set up. You want to double click on it, click yes, and after that you will see this Blockshade setup. Now we want to go ahead and click install. And you will need to wait a little bit until it will install. Now after it has installed, you will have a few options to install that. So you want to go ahead, you can actually install all of them, but let's for example choose some of the shaders and just click on install. Now, as you can see, community presets were installed successfully. Now you want to go ahead and choose some other shaders and just basically install them. After that, click next. Then you want to go ahead and uncheck all of these and click finish. After this, you want to go ahead and launch Roblox Player. Go ahead and open it up. Now you want to go ahead and launch any experience. So for example, let's do this one because it will actually show a little how it will look like. Now, as we are using Nvidia graphics card, you want to go ahead and launch it. Now, once you have launched it, you want to go to settings, and on settings, you want to make sure that Nvidia overlay is enabled, and then you want to click Alt-Z. So let's go ahead here on Roblox and just go ahead and click Alt-Z. After that, Nvidia graphics card will pop up. It is now on my other screen. I'm going to show you in a second how it looks like. So now you're going to see it here and you will see game filter. You want to go ahead and click on it. And right there, you want to enable game filters. And you will need to relaunch your Roblox. Now, as you can see, I had just added some shaders and you can already see them here. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.